Ryan's Rants, what you should be telling your borrowers, uncensored. Brought to you by Hancock Mortgage Partners.
Hi, it's Johnny Fowler, proud member of the Hardcore Closer Tribe and Senior Vice President of Hancock Mortgage Partners, where we implement the strategies of Ryan Stewman, aka the Hardcore Closer, for our referral partners and LOs. Now, here's Ryan.
Hey, what's going on? I'm Ryan Stewman, and today's episode of Ryan's Rants, number 3, where I give the PSA on things that loan officers want to say, right? Episode number 3, we're going to talk about the Illustrious credit pool. Right? Like everybody's always, oh, do you have to pull my credit? Do you have to pull my credit? Yes. If you want to borrow hundreds of thousands of thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, we're going to need to see your credit. Listen, these days there's all sorts of things put in place to protect you, the consumer, right? Basically, you can go look at freecredit.com or creditkarma.com. They're going to not give you the same credit score that a mortgage company has to have. See, a mortgage company looks through all your judgments. It looks through all your court cases. We need to know everything about you, because if a bank is going to give you hundreds of thousands of dollars to be able to purchase a place to live in, they want to make sure everything passes more than just a litmus test, right? So we have to pull your credit. And basically there's laws that have been put in place by acts of Congress for us to be able to have. It's mandatory that before we talk about interest rates, before we talk about programs, before we talk about anything, we have to know what we're talking about. And see, that's to protect you, the consumer. That keeps you from talking to us about a 3% interest rate or something of that nature. Then when we pull your credit, find out that there was a couple of bills 5 years ago that you didn't pay but are still affecting your mortgage credit, and all of a sudden we've got to talk about a 5% credit rate, right? And then it might seem to you, the consumer, that that's some sort of bait and switch, but those things are put in place by the bond market and everything else. But the best part about the credit pool is if you must have multiple banks pull your credit, it's not going to affect your score. Don't be scared. Don't be ashamed. If you're going to borrow hundreds of thousands of dollars, yes, we need to pull your credit. And the faster that we can pull your credit, the faster we'll get you moved along through the lending process. I'm Ryan Stewman, President and CEO of HardcoreCloser.com, and thanks for watching episode number 3 of Ryan's Rants.
This is Mortgage News Network.